Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your File Explorer. Now a lot of people might be confused between the resetting File Explorer and replacing the File Explorer. There's two tutorial. The other one link is given below in the description. If you have recently installed a new File Explorer and now you want to replace it with the older File Explorer, then watch that video. But in case if you are facing the File Explorer issues like your thumbnails are not appearing or something wrong with your File Explorer, then you can reset it from here. Just open the File Explorer and then go into the view and then again click on the options. Once you click over here, now there's two options. You can also restore, but uncheck these privacy options. Actually it's annoying, and hit apply. Once you have done this, open File Explorer to quick access, and this is a feature of your File Explorer. Now it's on you. If you want to open your File Explorer as this PC, then select this option. Otherwise you can go with the quick access. A lot of people are recommending this, so even I'm recommending this one because it's easy to use. So just select like this. Now go into the views. You can also restore only the privacy options or advanced settings, but in case there's only a few things that you need to know about the settings, like hidden files and folder. If you want to show hidden files and folder, then select here. Otherwise there's another option called thumbnail or icons. Now you need to find here the thumbnail or icons options. Over here, show preview handler in preview panels. If you hover here or here, you can see it's preview. It's showing a preview of the folder. So if you enable this, it's good. Otherwise you can uncheck this one. And the second thing is here, you need to find here the thumbnail icon. Display file icon on thumbnails. So if you want thumbnail, then you can select this. Otherwise uncheck this option and hit apply. Okay, that's it. Now this time you open your File Explorer, it will open this PC instead of the quick access. I hope you like this video. Hit the subscribe button, share it with friends. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, so I'll guide you further. Till then, just take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.